my story of that changed my perspective of life was my daughter, because I went through a lot of things. Her name is Melina Ortiz, and she's 7. She's about to turn 8 next month in July. Um, but that's back in the. Well, let's go
But like I
back
was saying,
when I
everything
didn't
happened.
look for no coach or mentor, so that was affecting my personal life, because my wife was there with me. She was like, "I'm gonna be there 150%," and I was like, "All
That's
right,
good.
so you got support, you got
Yeah.
support." But even though I had support, what about my support of somebody teaching me, mentoring me and going
That's
the right
true.
way? I didn't have, but I was so selfish that I didn't want to look for that. Even though there was people there that can help you, in the Melaleuca, there was a lot of people. Hey, how can we help you? I was like, nah, I'm good. I know I'm good. And I would be saying that I'm good. I'm gonna do it slowly, and that didn't happen.
I didn't
I
see
was
my
trying to
daughter for
2 years and a half. So in
Wow.
those 2 years and a half, I
Wow.
was calling Washington.
Wow.
I had to
Is this
write.
because the court system's so slow that just going to get a court case like even heard, and then finding that getting together the proof, because you have to have proof before you can like say anything.
Oh
Is
yeah,
it just the long process?
it was a long process, like
2.5 years.
two
So
and a half years. I didn't
yeah,
see her. Like
you're already done with court, I assume, right? Is that right?
yes,
Okay,
yes.
you're not
Yeah,
doing
right now
court
there's some
anymore.
McCord. Yes.
Okay. Is your wife in the States, or is she still in
No,
Mexico?
she's in Mexico. She stayed over there. She's having her own life over there.
Okay.
But right now there's no more fighting, nothing. And we're seeing, what's the positive thing for our girl, like for
Okay.
us to work together and
But
have a better future for her.
your daughter's still in
She's
Mexico,
in Mexico,
and then she
yes.
comes
But
over
I see her now,
and
so she
sees.
comes over for vacation. Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
For
That's
us.
good.
She just
So
straight went to mom, and I was just in tears. So I went down and got on my knees, and the mom said, "That's your dad," and I was just happy, to see her. So we got her. She was already with us, and I got to go to her house and ate at her house, and we got to eat and everything, and now we got her. So at those time, I still, I got the paperwork of where I can see her, but 2 years and a half it took me for all of that stuff to happen, all of the struggles, all of the negative that I went through, the things that I, didn't want to do. My mom supported me all the way till now. And
that's
she's like,
great.
you got a vision. And that's how I know now what's my purpose. I know what's my destiny. I know what's my why. And it's kids. And it's the kids. And it's the
I don't want to
kids.
go to
And I'm gonna
bed.
repeat
A lot
it.
of
People
people.
have their own stories. And that story is that what builds you, is what builds your character, what builds your mindset, what builds you. That when we always say never give up, we gotta say never give up on yourself. Because when we say never give up, people you give up on your business and people are already telling you, well, see, I told you 6 months. No, 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 no. You can give up on your business. That's fine. Because it was not meant for you. Or maybe it's meant for you later. But never give up on you. Never give up on yourself. Because you're the one that it's the one that pushing yourself. Nobody else, not your parents, not nobody. You're the one that is making your dreams come true. No matter what it is that you want in life, entrepreneurship, businessman, businesswoman, or you want to be still working for somebody, but you want to move up, that's
Yep.
fine.
That'd be wonderful.
I have all my interviews there. I have a lot of stuff there that I go through. And right now I'm focusing on the show because that's my passion, having the show. And since I've been doing it for 5 years, I want to have my own studio and everything. So right now, I'm pushing to get more interviews in there and everything, and help other and run advertisement and everything. So I already got my stuff about lightning and stuff. So I got everything ready.
Yep.
That's the
No,
best
good. Need
thing.
more positivity in the world, and Jesus is here to help spread the message. So definitely connect with him if you have any questions for him, or if you just want to be on his show or say hi or whatever. He's open to hear your story.
I just wanted to
Thank
say,
you.
guys, God bless you, and God bless you too, ma'am. And thank you for letting me be in your show. And guys, just keep on pushing. Don't consume all this negativity that you're watching right now. Consume positivity that you have already on you. Please do that, because if you consume all this negativity, riots and COVID and everything, you're gonna be in the same spot. And like I said, time is precious. And when you want to do something, you're 70. You can still do it at 70, but when you can do it now, man, start doing it now. And please enjoy your life, smile, and please spend time with your family. Do that, because we're right here right now. Maybe 10 minutes later, we're not. And tomorrow we won't wake up. So please enjoy your life. Be happy no matter what, man. If you're poor, rich, no matter, that doesn't count for nothing. Just be happy and you keep on pushing yourself out there and be humble. Like my hashtag, humble power.
Awesome hashtag.